After spending almost an hour, more than an hour, in this beautiful corridor, so watching all different people, different nationalities, going to different countries. So now it is time to enter into this ticketing area. So I can go now because my train is at 4:30 p.m. So now it is 3 o'clock. But I just go and see some more shops, and then I enter into the platform, I enter into the departures area. So I have anyhow 1.5 hours time. So I just see these beautiful shops one more time. And this is beautiful St. Pancras International. See the dome. So until I come next time, see the beautiful dome. The different people sitting, relaxing, enjoying, waiting for the trains, eating, drinking tea, coffee. So I've already taken my tea at 2 p.m. So tea was good. I have put my masala mixture into the tea. So then it really tasted very well, Indian tea. So these are different shops. National Rail, Thames Link, trains to airports, Luton, Gatwick trains, National Rail Ticket Office. So and right side is international trains. Trains to Belgium, Brussels, Paris, Netherlands, underground trains. We can see. So underground is tube. So Luton Airport Express. So beautiful cash. Even we can withdraw euros, pounds. Excellent. So I have cash. So I already brought from India. So no need to withdraw now. So I am going towards departures area. So from National Rail Terminal. I am just visiting the shops because I have some time before my train. So straight left is a departure here. Now it is Paris 4:31. I can enter this train, so you can see Paris 4:31. So train number 9040. So now it is almost empty. So people just started arriving to this train. So I will be the first person, or maybe I am going. This is departures. So I have to scan my ticket here. Already got QR code. So yeah, I will scan this. I just finished security check and immigration check. It took only 10 minutes. Now I am waiting here at passengers waiting area. So I have still time. You can see the 4:31 Paris train 9040. So platform 8 to be announced. So I am just waiting here with all more waiting areas with the people. So these are the platforms, different platforms, coaches. Mine is 17. I have to check when it comes, when the time comes. The Pret a Manger. People here are sitting and working. So I also thought this is a better opportunity to time pass and to work. So I am just working here using my laptop, just checking mails and checking internet, everything with free Wi-Fi. So now my train is boarding. So boarding already started like 10 minutes back. So you can see 4:31, 16:31, platform 10. So I have to take this platform 10. So this is platform 10-9. So this is a 4:31 train. Thank you. Yeah. So I am entering into platform. So it is escalator. Nice and good escalator. So this is Eurostar platform. So my coach is 17. So I have to check for 17. This is another train ready. So in 17 this side, I am going towards 17. Easy to remember. My coach is 17, my seat number is 17. So still I have 15-20 minutes time. So no need to hurry. The doors will close 5 minutes before the departure. So I have time. So no problem. This is coach 11. I think some people they speak French, some people they speak English. Eurostar, I am taking Eurostar after 20 years. So first time I took in the year 2020 to 2005. So again I am taking in the year 2025. So almost like 20 years. This is coach number 17. You can see Eurostar, Paris Nord. Paris Nord means north. Coach 17. And my seat is here. I thought it is window, but it's not. It's fine, no problem.
Small and medium items can be placed above your seat menu. I repeat, small and medium items can be placed above your seat menu. Mesdames et messieurs, bonsoir.
I started. So it is 4:30 now. Just 1 minute before the departure time. So 2 hours 20 minutes is the travel time to Paris. So it will go like 35 minutes under the sea. The tunnel is 50 kilometers under the sea. So it will take 35 minutes because of speed limit 160 kilometers per hour. So it is 2 hours 20 minutes. I will be in Paris, Quai du Nord station. So this is London St. Pancras. Starting from St. Pancras now, departing. So it is 4:31. So train has departed, already departed. So it will reach Paris in 2 hours 20 minutes time. So it will go under the sea tunnel for 50 minutes. Sorry, 35 minutes. It is 50 kilometers. Beautiful cafe inside Eurostar. See how beautiful it is. Very cute. I will buy something. So this is a cute little cafe in Eurostar. I am buying Zero Coke and also Namo card for Paris travel. So this is Paris Metro. It is excellent. So we can buy Pringles, sandwiches, chips, tea, coffee, Coke, everything. Excellent cafe. I like it. See the ambience, vibes. Beautiful, ultimate. So I like the cafes in trains. I love it. Now we have entered in a tunnel. So here it will take 35 minutes in the tunnel. So this is a tunnel. So we can't see anything from here, but just a tunnel. So beautiful. So just complete dark. This is 50 kilometers. So almost like 35 minutes travel in the tunnel. After 25 minutes, it exited the tunnel. Undersea tunnel, 50 kilometers tunnel. So now we are in Paris, sorry, in France. This is France.
Veuillez prendre un moment pour vérifier que vous avez mis toutes vos affaires avec vous. La sortie se trouve à l'avant du train. Pour votre sécurité, veuillez faire attention à l'écart les marches piquées le lors de votre descente.
Exactly on time.
Que vous soyez ici pour...
I just arrived in Paris, Quai du Nord. So exactly on time, 7:51 p.m. So this is 1 hour ahead of UK time. In UK it is 6:51 p.m. So it is Quai du Nord, Paris, Eurostar. Just got down from Eurostar. So we can see one more Eurostar here. So there are 16 trains per day from London to Paris. So it takes 2 hours 20 minutes. So if we take flight, it will take more than that because Heathrow and Gatwick are far from central London. So this train starts from central London and it comes to central Paris. So we save around like 2.5 hours traveling to airports and also another additional time. Getting the train which I took from London to Paris. Beautiful 2 hours 20 minutes. So now I have to take my
సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోకపోతే ఛానల్ సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, నోటిఫికేషన్స్ కోసం బెల్ ఐకాన్ నొక్కండి, లైక్ చేయండి, కామెంట్ చేయండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ.